Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create an API to upload the image inside the image route file. So let's get started. As you can see, the VS Code editor where we have a Node.js application. So after the instance of the router, I'm going to create here the route that we have post, the URL of the endpoint that we have /upload. After that, we have a middleware from the multer that we have upload.single. Inside the codes, we have a variable name image. So it will be a async function. The upload.single middleware from the multer handle file upload for a single file with the field name image. It stores the file data in memory because of the multer.memory storage. As you can see, the request handler is a asynchronous for the await usage to handling the asynchronous operations. For example, saving the data to MongoDB and Firebase storage. I'm going to extract the data from the request. We are extracting the title and the posted by from the request body. After that, we have to retrieve the file from the request.file property, which is populated by a multer. After that, I'm going to add a def condition where we have to check the file presence. If file is missing, then the route sends a 400 status code with the message indicating that no file was uploaded. So it will be a rest.status that we have 400.send and the message that we have no file uploaded. Now after that, we have to upload the image to the Firebase storage. So let me call here the bucket that we have import from the firebase.js file. As you can see, from the bucket, we have to call here the method that we have file. Inside the argument of this, I'm going to add here the backtick. So first, I'm going to call here the method that we have uuidv4 to generate the unique uuid. Now after that, I'm going to add here underscore. After that, we have a name of the file. So it will be a file.original name. On the left side, I'm going to create here the variable that we have blob to save the response of this. Actually, the bucket.file is a file location within a Firebase storage. This generates a unique file name for the uploaded file by combining a UUID with the original file name. Actually, it will be a blob instead of log. So let me call the method from the blob that we have create write stream. Inside this, we have to define here the content type that we have a file.mime type. So the blob.create write stream creates a writable stream for the file in Firebase storage. After that, we have a metadata content type with the value file.mime type sets the mime type, for example, PNG, JPG for the file. So here on the left side, I'm going to create a variable with the name blob stream to save the response of this. After writing the stream, I'm going to write the functionality to listen the event. If we have a error listener, then we have to log the error with the status code 500 with an error message. So it will be a blob stream.on. Inside this, we have to listen the event that we have error. We have to catch here the error. Let me copy this. Let me add here. So here I'm going to update the status code that we have 500 and the message that we have something went wrong with the image upload. After listening the error event, I'm going to listen here the finish event. So it will be a blob stream.on. Inside this, we have an event that we have finish. So it will be a async function. Inside this, I'm going to call the method from the blob that we have make public. So this makes the uploaded file publicly accessible by setting its permissions in Firebase storage. So let me add here the await. Now after that, I'm going to constructing the public URL. So let me initialize here the variable that we have public URL. Let me add here the backticks. Inside this, I'm going to add here the URL. As you can see, the URL that we have https://storage.googleapis.com/bucket.name/blob.name. Once the file uploaded successfully to the Firebase storage, I'm going to add here the try and the catch block. The catch block will catch an exception in case of API failing. So let me add here catch block. It will catch an error. I'm going to send the API response with the status code 500 and the message that we have getting error while saving data to MongoDB. On the top of the try block, I'm going to create an object of the image model. As you can see, the import of the image model. Let's go to the image model. As you can see, the key that we have title, posted by, and the URL. So let me add here the key that we have title. After that, we have a posted by. Let me pass here the value of the posted by. After that, we have a key URL on the place of the value. Let me pass here public URL. And here I'm going to initialize a variable with the name new image that saves the response of this object. Now inside the try block, let me call here the object name that we have new image and the query that we have saved to create the new document in MongoDB. So it will be a await. Now after that, I'm going to send the response. So it will be a restart status. Let me pass here the status code that we have 201 created and the message that we have image uploaded and data saved successfully. Actually, we have to move this section inside the finish event listener. Now, as you can see, the public URL can be accessible in the image model object. Now, outside of the finish event listener, I'm going to add the blob stream. So it will be a blob stream dot end. Inside the argument of this, we have to pass here file dot buffer. Now you can take a look of the image route. Let me open here the terminal and I'm going to write the command to run the Node.js application. So the command that we have npm start. Let's hit enter. There we got service account must be an object. Let me check. We are not able to access the service account from the Firebase admin.json file. As you can see, the firebase.js file inside the config package. When I'm clicking on the service account, it's not navigating us to the Firebase admin.json file. Let me remove this. Now here I'm going to import Firebase admin.json file here. So it will be a service account. Let me add here require. Inside the codes, I'm going to add here the path. And this is the file that we have to import. Now we are able to access the Firebase admin.json file. As you can see, the Node.js application started successfully. Let's navigate to the Postman. As you can see, the URL of the endpoint that we have http://localhost 5555 that we have the port. After that, we have a /upload that we have the path for the upload image endpoint, the mapping that we have post. After that, we have edit the form data in the form of a key and the value. You can select the form data by clicking on the body tab. The key that we have title and this is the value. After that, we have a key posted by and this is the value of the posted by. After that, we have a key that we have image and let me select here the image. Now let's click on the send button to upload the file. As you can see, the status we got 201 created and inside the body we got a string image uploaded and data saved successfully. Let me open here the MongoDB Compass and I'm going to refresh the images table. As you can see, the newly created document where we have a title posted by image URL and these are the two more fields created at and the updated at. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can document. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.